Hey, have you seen the new feature in Dzine AI?
No, what is it?
Now you can lip sync more than one character in a single image.
Really? That sounds amazing. I haven't seen any other tool do that.
Exactly. It's the only tool right now that can do it.
Wow, that will make our videos so much better.
Dzine AI just launched a game-changing update. Now, you can animate multiple characters together with perfect lip sync, smooth body movements, and yes, this lip sync feature works even for non-human characters like animals or cartoon figures.
Whoa, what's up, guys? Dzine AI can animate a talking cat like me with a moving body and real expressions? That's so awesome.
Yes, boy, you can do it with Zen AI. You can lip sync side view characters and even sync them with videos and music too.
And that's not all. You can even take any video, like a dancing character, and instantly sync it to your favorite music. The results look so natural and smooth.
We're like fire in the cold, with a story yet untold. Every step I take along, I'm still walking you home. So hold me closer, even in the dark.
In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use this brand new feature inside Dzine AI. So, let's get started. Alright, the tool we are going to use today is Dzine AI. It is an all-in-one design platform that gives you access to a wide range of powerful AI tools. With it, you can create and edit images, design animations, add perfect lip sync to your characters, take professional-looking product photos, make print-on-demand designs, create game assets, and so much more, all in one place. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to animate multiple characters with perfect lip sync using Dzine AI's newest feature. We'll go step by step so you can easily follow along. First, you'll need to sign into your Dzine AI account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. Just use the link in the video description to sign up. Once you log in, you'll see a variety of AI tools that can help you with different parts of your creative process. To begin, click on New Project. Give your project a name, then choose the aspect ratio that works best for your video. Since we're making a YouTube video, I'm going to select 16:9. After that, click Apply, and your dashboard will open with the correct size settings. Now, take a look at the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find some really useful features like the Image Generator, Video Generator, Consistent Character Tool, Lip Sync Tool, and several handy editing tools. Alright, let's move on to creating an image. To start, click on the text-to-image icon on the left side of the screen. Once the panel opens, the first step is to choose the Image Generator model or style you want to use. Click on the Model button, and you'll see a list of styles that Dzine AI offers, along with some created by other users. You even have the option to create your own style by uploading multiple images in the same theme and training the tool to match that look. For this tutorial, I'm going to select Design General. This model is excellent for creating 3D Pixar-style images, which is exactly the style I'm aiming for. In the text box, I'll paste in the prompt that describes what I want to create. Next, you'll notice the Prompt Improver option. If it's turned on, Dzine AI will rewrite your prompt into a more enhanced version before generating the image. But if you'd rather keep your original prompt exactly as it is, you can simply leave it off. For the aspect ratio, I'm going to select 16:9, since this works perfectly for YouTube videos. I'll leave the other settings at their default values, but I will switch the generation mode to HQ so I can get the highest quality image possible. Once everything is set up, just click Generate. Dzine AI will now start creating your image. If you're not fully happy with the first result, don't worry. You can simply click Generate again, and it will give you new options until you find one you like. Here are the results I got. As you can see, all the images look really good, with sharp details and the exact Pixar-style effect I was looking for. Out of all of them, I personally think this one looks the best, so I'll go ahead and select it. Now, right below your image, you'll notice some extra tools. For example, if you click on Variation, the tool will generate more images in the same style. There are also other features like Animate, Face Swap, and Upscale, which give you even more ways to enhance your image. To create lip sync, go ahead and click on the Lip Sync option. This will open a dialog box where you can select the faces of your characters. You'll also be able to choose who speaks first. In my example, I want the girl to start the conversation, so I'll select her face first, and then the boy's face. After that, click Next. This will take you to the voice editor, where you can add voices to your characters. First, click on Pick a Voice. Now, there are two ways you can can add a voice in the editor. The first way is to type the speech directly into the dialog box, choose a voice tone from the list, and then click Generate to create the voice. The second way, which I'm using in this demo, is to upload pre-recorded voiceover. To do this, simply click the upload button and add an audio file for the girl character. Then, do the same for the boy character. The tool currently supports up to 30 seconds of voiceover, so keep that in mind while preparing your files. Once both voices are added, you'll see a timeline where you can adjust the clips. Here, you can drag them around to make sure the conversation flows smoothly. For example, I want to make sure the male voice starts only after the female voice ends, so the dialogue feels natural. After adjusting, click Confirm. Don't worry if you want to make changes later. You can still re-edit and adjust the faces and voices whenever you need. Now, before generating, you'll have two options, Normal Mode or Pro Mode. I highly recommend using Pro Mode because it gives you much better lip sync accuracy, smoother facial expressions, and more natural body movements. Once you've chosen, just click Generate, and the tool will start creating your video. Here's the result I got.
Hey, have you seen the new feature in Dzine AI?
No, what is it?
Now you can lip sync more than one character in a single image.
Really? That sounds amazing. I haven't seen any other tool do that.
Exactly. It's the only tool right now that can do it.
Wow, that will make our videos so much better.
Pretty amazing, right? The animation has perfect lip sync, expressive facial movements, and even realistic body motion. And the best part is, once the video is ready, you can also download it and upscale it all the way up to 8K quality with just one click. Another really exciting feature of Dzine AI is that it can lip sync not only human characters but also non-human characters. For example, I uploaded this image of an otter holding a microphone on stage. As soon as you upload the image, the AI automatically detects all the faces. But in this case, we only want to animate the animal character. So I'll manually mark his face and then click Next. After that, I'll select the aspect ratio and continue. In the voice editor, click on Pick a Voice, then type in the dialogue you want the character to say and choose a voice tone you like. Once that's done, click Generate and play the audio to check how it sounds. When you're happy with it, click Confirm. Finally, choose Pro Mode and then click Generate. Here's the final result.
Whoa, what's up, guys? Dzine AI can animate a talking cat like me with a moving body and real expressions? That's so awesome.
And as you can see, it looks amazing, but it gets even better. Dzine AI can also lip sync characters to music, which is such a fun and powerful feature. For example, I uploaded a video of a girl dancing, then I click Next. Once in the voice editor, click on Pick a Voice and upload a music audio file instead. After confirming, I selected the generation mode and clicked Generate. Here is the result.
We're like fire in the cold, with a story yet untold. Every step I take along, I'm still walking you home. So hold me closer, even in the dark. When we're miles apart, you're here in my heart.
The result was surprisingly good. The AI synced the lip movements with the music in a way that looks really natural. Honestly, this feature outperforms many other AI tools I've tested, and that's how you can animate multiple characters in a single scene using Dzine AI, complete with lip sync, body movement, and even non-human character animation, all in just a few simple clicks. Dzine AI is truly an all-in-one platform. It brings together everything you need in one place. Tools for creating and editing images, making videos, designing game assets, product photography, print-on-demand designs, and so much more. And the best part is, it's affordable. You can start for just $9 per month, but I personally recommend the creator plan for around $20 per month, which gives you access to almost every feature in the platform. If you choose the yearly plan, you'll even get a 22% discount. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. If you need any help, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram group. It's the perfect place to ask questions, share your creations, and connect with other creators who can help you make even better videos. Plus, you'll find all the AI tools and the exact prompts we used in this tutorial, so you can try them out yourself. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.